Hello, this is Umi. The directions are: each of the passages given below is followed by a set of questions. Choose the best answer to each question. The question is, the author essentially delves on how. The options are: the passage does not make mention of any personality disorders. Hence, option number 1 and 2 are wrong. Option number 3 says that masks are facades needed for the proper development of individuals. This is too strong a statement, which is again not mentioned in the passage. In the first paragraph, the author does make a mention of masks being used as a defense mechanism in the sentence. That in its own way is a defense mechanism, a way to avoid truth without telling lies. Hence, option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Umi. The directions are: each of the passages given below is followed by a set of questions. Choose the best answer to each question. The question is, which of the following can't be attributed to masks? Come to the paragraph number 1. Read the lines. Masks are used as a protective cover to shield the vulnerabilities of the true self from being attacked, to project an image that is extension or exaggeration of the one within. These lines and the whole passage suggest that masks help to deal the life with in an easier manner. Suggest that masks help us to deal with life in an easier way. Hence, option number 2, 3, and 4 are incorrect, as they can be attributed to the mask. Now come back to the passage paragraph number 1. It isn't bizarre, abnormal, or unnatural. The author says that the use of masks by human beings is absolutely natural or normal. Coming back to the question, this makes option number 1 the right answer, as it cannot be attributed to masks. Hence, answer 1 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Umi. The directions are: each of the passages given below is followed by a set of questions. Choose the best answer to each question. The question is, the last paragraph of the passage can be summed up as. Read the last paragraph carefully. On reading the last paragraph, we can see that in the last paragraph, the author gives the various advantages of putting up a mask in the professional as well as social interactions. And the paragraph ends on a cautionary note. Hence, the option number 1 aptly sums up the last paragraph. Option number 2 only partially summarizes the passage, the last paragraph. Option 3 is also incorrect, as no disadvantage of wearing a mask is mentioned in the paragraph. Only a note of caution is sounded. Option 4 also partially sums up the passage, as it misses out on the other aspects given mentioned in the passage, in the paragraph. Hence, answer 1 is the right answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.